Before buying front help desk software, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're new to help desk software or comparing it to other options like Zendesk or Freshdesk, stick around for some crucial insights that could make or break your decision. First, Front excels at team collaboration. Unlike other software that just routes tickets, Front lets your team work directly in the same threads, seamlessly communicating in real time. It's ideal for businesses that need a high level of coordination across departments. This feature alone gives it an edge over basic ticketing systems like Freshdesk. Next thing you should know is about customization. Front allows you to tailor the inbox, workflows, and even the customer experience to fit your brand. It's one of the most customizable tools on the market, putting it ahead of more rigid platforms like Zendesk, where customization can be complex and time-consuming. The third thing is integrations. Front offers over 50 integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Salesforce. This helps your team stay connected without leaving the platform. Competitors might charge extra for these features, but Front includes them at no additional cost, which can be a big win for your budget. The fourth thing to consider is the reporting. Front's analytics provide detailed insights on response times, customer satisfaction, and more. This is especially helpful for managers looking to track team performance. If you compare it to the reporting features in other platforms, you'll find Front offers a more straightforward, user-friendly interface. Next, we need to talk about scalability. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, Front scales with your business. Other platforms can be clunky and hard to use as you grow, but Front keeps things simple. It's a good option for companies at any size, unlike systems like Freshdesk that struggle when you need to add a lot of agents quickly. The sixth thing is its multi-channel support. Front doesn't just manage emails. It allows you to handle messages from social media, SMS, and live chat, all in one place. Compared to competitors that focus mainly on email or chat, this feature sets Front apart for businesses with a diverse communication strategy. Another thing to know is the learning curve. Front's interface is clean, and its features are easy to grasp. You won't spend hours training your team, unlike Zendesk, where new users often get overwhelmed by the number of options. Front's simplicity is a major advantage for businesses looking to get up and running fast. The eighth thing to consider is security. Front uses industry standard encryption and provides two-factor authentication to protect your data. It's on par with the top competitors, but some platforms, like Freshdesk, have additional security options that could be useful for high-risk industries. Another factor to consider is pricing. Front uses a transparent pricing structure, but it's on the more expensive side compared to options like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk. While it offers a lot of value, it's important to weigh this against your budget. The 10th thing is its customer support. Front offers 24/7 customer service with fast response times. However, Zendesk might have a slight edge here as it provides more extensive support resources, including community forums and more in-depth documentation. The 11th thing to know is that Front is designed to reduce the need for multiple tools. If you're already using various apps for collaboration, CRM, and email, Front can consolidate a lot of those tasks into one platform. This saves time and money compared to competitors who may force you to use separate tools for different functions. Finally, consider the user experience. Front is designed with a modern, intuitive interface that makes navigation easy for anyone, even non-technical users. While Zendesk can feel outdated and Freshdesk can be a bit confusing, Front keeps it simple and pleasant to use every day. So, is Front the best help desk solution? It's a strong option for teams that value collaboration, customization, and integration with other tools. But if you're looking for a better option, check out our recommended solution. Try it for free and see if it suits your needs even better.